An aftercooler used to reduce the temperature of compressed gases was suffering from corrosion under insulation. The asset owner needed to restore the serviceability of such equipment by using a protective coating. Belzona 5892 was chosen due to its excellent corrosion resistance at elevated operating temperatures. For typical applications, follow these steps. Blast the external surfaces of the aftercooler to the cleanliness requirements of SSPC SP10 near white metal. Assemble the tools needed to mix Belzona 5892. Before mixing base and solidifier, reincorporate any product settlement by stirring the base. You can fully or partially mix base and solidifier. For this application, base and solidifier were partially mixed in 3.5:1 base to solidifier by volume. Mix the material thoroughly until a uniform color has been achieved. Begin applying Belzona 5892 with a short bristle brush. Make sure Belzona 5891 is applied within its working life. Belzona 5892 is applied as a two-coat system. The target thickness for each coat is 10 mil, 250 micron. A second coat of 5892 was applied to finish the job. Allow the product to cure for full service. For more information, visit belzona.com.